What's happening here, Martin? You are dead.
Do me. Okay. Alright. So,
Yes, walk us through what you're doing here.
I'm gonna... this is a bad idea. I don't know how I can light.
You're gonna have to light them all.
This is why you need professional pyrotechnics.
That's me. Everything looks good.
Alright, hold on.
Oh boy. This does not look good. This is not gonna work. Yeah. Oh boy. Wow. Oh boy. There's literally.
I hid behind you.
Oh boy.
Just get ready to dodge it.
There's 50 shots in that.
No, that's not the 51.
Oh, it's the other one. There's 30 shots in that
Yeah,
one.
these are getting crazy. People are. This might get us in trouble.
That was good. Oh boy.
Should I not light the grand finale?
No, you should definitely light the grand finale. What do you think, Martin?
Yeah, I brought something fun.
Oh boy. Run! Ah!
Woohoo! Hi, that's awesome. Those are awesome.
Oh boy.
Dad's managed.
Oh
You think that's gonna cause a noise complaint?
boy. I don't bet they didn't even hear it.
For now.
High as fuck now.
Oh, there's no houses really near here, is there? I keep thinking there's like
Right
houses
there.
across the street.
Isn't there? No, there's people that back on the park.
Happy Canada Day! Woo!
It's a delay.
Grand finale.
Whoa. Yeah.
How much for that block one?
I can't remember.
It was
50
$35.
shots. What do you think, Martin?
This is great.
That's right.
What New Year's Day?